Weighed in for 190, 183.8 main weight. Just finished doing some warm-ups. Just kind of walking around now, chilling. Weigh-ins were a little while ago. Still waiting for brackets to be made, so I'm just gonna keep drinking that the drink I had earlier, and keep getting ready for my first match in a little while. Wrestling just started. I'm about to go watch my teammate.
Well, Will, finish it! It up. Come on! Yeah! Go Nazi! Come on, Naz! Let's go, Naz! Come on, Nazi!
Keep hand control. Yeah.
Yeah.
Switch the other side to half.
Yeah.
Yo, yo. Hey. Yo, good job, man. Sit out. Grab that hand. Grab his head. Reach back. Waterfall, waterfall. Go up, get up.
Let that head down and just will you do something? Come on, wrestle.
Shoot or something. Bring him down. Let go. Hey, powerhouse. Powerhouse. Get out of my way.
First match. As you can see, into consolations now. Best I can get is third. I don't know. We're gonna have at least one more match. We're gonna go out there. We're gonna try to win one. Yeah.
Dude, he's doing good for wrestling up 2 weight classes.
Did he make weight?
No, he was 0.4 over, and the weight class above him was full, so he's wrestling 2 up. Yeah, dude, I was gonna, if the meet didn't get canceled on Wednesday, I was gonna wrestle 215. I would have been screwed. Yeah, I'm 186. I weighed in at 183. No, we're close. I'm sticking to 190 though.
You weighed in at
183. 186. Dripping wet with sweat, my clothes on yesterday. I was like 189. Come on, Royce! Let's go! Good for wrestling up too. That's like a lot. Come on, Duzzy.
Keep going for that lead leg. Inside, control, and shoot. Yeah, spin. Yep,
Trying to
go
get
for
her.
it.
Come on, Duzzy.
There you go. Nice.
Good job. Come on.
Well done.
That was
Very well done. Took his time. Go for it. Nice.
Nice. Nice.
Second match is done. Quick little pin. On to the next one. I gotta win out. Just gotta keep chugging, keep getting these pins, keep getting wins. And just wrestle smart, wrestle hard. Right. So lost the last match. There's a kid I had already beat before, but he definitely got bigger since the last time I wrestled him. Too bad. I'm kind of pissed off, but I mean, second ever high school tournament and the biggest tournament period I've ever been to. Like, I had the biggest bracket I've ever been in today. So am I excited with how I performed now? But I'm not disappointed. I think I did pretty decent. And I mean, as a freshman, I've already got a second place in a smaller, but it's still a tournament. Wins are wins. But just hoping next year do a little bit better, place a little bit higher. Royce, post-tourney interview, how are we feeling?
I missed weight by 4 ounces and I moved up 2 weight classes, but put belt to ass and then got belt to ass.
So you're feeling good?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
All right, what about you, T?
So first tourney of the season, first tourney ever actually. I went 1-2. My win was a bye, but you know, win's a win. And my pin, I got pinned actually twice by big ass kids. So let's go ahead and ask Jordan.
All right, what about you, Jordan? What do you think?
It went pretty good. I did not get the weight class I wanted. I went up one.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
Get
but
destroyed.
What'd you weigh in at?
like 162.
Oh, you wanted 157?
Yeah.
I can't
That's
talk.
fun.
Yeah.
You got the quarter pounder, got the McDouble, the big thing of fries, we got the McFlurries, bro. It's a day, bro.
Yeah.
It's fire.
Is that Nick?
We're back into school. Why are you rubbing my ears? Alright, so just getting home. It's a pretty good day. It's like 9:40, and I don't know. It was pretty solid. It was a fun day, but it was a very long one. I'll say 4 o'clock is when I woke up, and we'll say 10 o'clock is when I get back. Let's see, that's 8. There's no way. That's crazy. That's 18 hours. So, yeah. Pretty long day, but turned out pretty good. See you in the next one.